design development. Now in our process, because we're using the computer, we're actually able to leverage that computer, and for us in design development, we actually work with you using the internet. This first process, we're going to have, as I said, the 1, 2, 3 different ideas. When we move into the second step of design, we're going to actually invite you into the design studio by using the internet. We will be doing design, and then we'll be sending it out to you, to Bob, and then everyone's going to have a chance to look at it and make comments. You send us your comments, that informs our work for the next step. We go forward together. So we're like holding hands as we go forward step by step to make sure we don't deviate, because Bob has mentioned very importantly is to stay in line with this budget process. Now at the final design step, which is what we call construction documents, now we're putting on paper the precise, specific number of sticks, number of bricks, number of nails, all those things that Bob's going to need to use to put together your final pricing and to use for final financing. So that's kind of the instruction manual, if you will. In fact, in our office, we always say we do the construction documents for Bob. We do steps A and B for our clients. Because as far as you're concerned, if you've seen the design, you're thrilled, let's build it. Well, we still need to know how to build it. And that's what this process does. So this initial design step involves exploration. We have to look at a lot of different ideas to get one good one. And then we have visualization tools. Again, since we use the computer, we're able to go a step further in the visualization. There's sets of plans over here in two-dimensional drawings. Two-dimensional drawings are terrific, but we all live in a three-dimensional world. So we like to try to present and educate our clients in a three-dimensional sense. So what we're going to do is give you something that we call a dome. And this is going to allow you to actually fly around the house, and you can manipulate this too. With your mouse on your computer, we give you the disk, we give you the software. You can actually fly around, look at it from above, look at it from the worm's eye view, whatever you want to do, and really get a sense of what this place is going to look like. This is crucial because as an architect and Bob as a builder, we've been trained to do this. You haven't. So this is a way to let you kind of come into our world and see how we're understanding the design.
By the way, you don't always get that from an architect. That's a very nice feature.
Once we move from this step, we move on to builder input. So Bob, again, is going to be involved in this process. It's this concurrent engineering, bringing all the team players together at the same time. You know, Bob has mentioned this, and I don't think he stressed it enough. The worst thing you can possibly do, in my mind, is to hire an architect and then go out and find a builder after everything's done. That's when you hear these cocktail party stories about, yeah, we did this design, we loved it, and it ended up being twice what we could afford. Well, that's because they didn't have a concurrent engineering or a team approach from the very start. So we always, and if people want to talk to 3 builders, I say that's fine. Let's talk to 3 builders at the start, then pick somebody and have them join us. So we work together as a team. We've worked with people in both fashions, the traditional design bid and design build. And I can say that most of the time the design build process leads to a superior process, product, and happy client at the end of the day.